Planning a business trip to Taiwan? The Taiwan Business eVisa allows eligible travelers to enter Taiwan for official business purposes. With a business eVisa, you can attend business meetings, conferences, trade events, and professional discussions. It is suitable for short-term business travel and does not permit employment or long-term work. To apply, you need a valid passport, a recent photograph, and business-related documents. These may include an invitation letter from a Taiwan-based company, proof of business activities, and supporting company details. The application process is fully online. Fill out the form, upload the required documents, and pay the visa fee securely. Once submitted, the processing time generally takes 6 to 9 working days. After approval, the eVisa is sent directly to your email. You can then print your eVisa and present it upon arrival in Taiwan. The Taiwan Business eVisa offers a convenient way to prepare for your business visit with a simple and structured online process.